Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to test together a new eyeshadow primer by Essence, and this is the You Better Work eye primer. They have released a lot of products in the You Better Work collection. We have a primer, a concealer palette that I have also used in another video. This one claims to be gym proof and waterproof. The price of it is €2.75 and we get 10 milliliters of product. It can last up to 6 months and it is made in Poland. It is alcohol free and vegan. As we can see, we have a squeezable tube and on the back we have some instructions. It says apply directly before Essence eyeshadow. Perfect waterproof look during workout and leisure time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this eye primer and also I'm going to do a wear test. Eye primers can be more effective for someone that has oily eyelids. I have very dry and sensitive skin, but I'm using very hydrating eye cream, so I still need something to maintain my eyeshadows. I'm not usually using eye primers. Most of the times I'm using my concealer and I set it with powder, and this way my eye makeup look can last all day. For this video, I'm going to use the eye primer on one eye, and on the other eye I'm going to use my regular concealer and powder, so we can see at the end of the day if we have any difference and also if it is actually maintaining my eye makeup look. For my face primer, I'm going to use this one here. This is the You Better Work Gym Proof Primer, and I have used this one in another video, so you can see the wear test for this one too. For foundation, I'm going to use the Loreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear in the shade 125 Natural Rose. On this eye, I'm going to use my concealer. This is the Camouflage Matte Concealer by Essence and it is in the shade 30 Light Honey. For this one, I'm going to use it also on my eyelid. On the other side, I'm going to use it only on the under eye area. I'm blending everything with a Real Technique sponge. Let's see the color that we have with the eye primer. Ooh, it has a thick consistency. I couldn't get it out. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit because this is a lot. And as we can see, it has a very light beige color and also it is shiny for now. And it is very spreadable. It feels silicone-y. It started drying out now. It's not sticky. My concealer here has covered my discolorations. On this side, my redness and veins are very visible. And I'm wondering if I can cover something with this eyeshadow primer. Let's see how it works. I'm going to take a little bit of this. In the beginning, you see this light beige color. I was not expecting that, but it covers a little bit my veins and a lot of the redness. I thought it was a transparent eye primer, but it covered. It's not like the concealer, but it's not completely translucent. This one is spreadable. You don't need a lot of product. This is just a little bit sticky. It's not like my concealer. I'm not going to apply any powder on this eyelid. On the rest of my face and on this eye, I'm going to use this powder by Deco Cosmetics. It's been 10 minutes. I have just finished with my eyebrows. It always takes me a while. And let's do a small check-in for the eye primer. I didn't apply any powder and it didn't crease. I'm very impressed. It is almost not sticky. I'm so curious to see how it is going to work with my eyeshadows. I'm going to use this palette by Essence and Catrice. It was a limited edition, I think 1 or 2 months ago, and they had released 3 eyeshadow palettes and 3 face palettes. I saw all of the products at the drugstore, but I didn't like the color story of the face palette, and also for the eyeshadow palette, this was the only one that it was a little bit different. Essence and Catrice Cosmetics are sister companies, and this palette here is the Addicted to Exotic Fruits. We have a beautiful pineapple here. The packaging is super pretty and elegant, and when we open this, we also have a mirror. It is such a pretty palette. We have names for the eyeshadows. We have vibrant shades. This is why I want to use this palette for today's makeup review. We also have a description. Mango Meets Ocean Blues Irresistible Eyeshadow Palette including 12 high pigmented matte and dazzling metallic shades for an endless variety of appealing eye makeup looks. This one contains carmine and it is made in PRC. It can last up to 12 months. I want to start with Papaya, this one here, and this is a muted corally shade. With an eye blender brush by Essence, I'm pushing this in the crease area. This blended nicely on my concealer. Let's see on the eye primer. It is a little bit more difficult to move my brush on the eyeshadow primer. I think I have the same intensity of color, and for this eye I have used just one layer. On this I have used two. I'm going to apply a second to see if it is going to be more vibrant. And I continue blending the edges with two layers of the same eyeshadow. Definitely the color on this eye is more intense. It is a little bit more difficult to blend the eyeshadows on top of the eye primer. It is grabbing a little bit the bristles of the brush. You need to be more patient and try very smoothly to blend the eyeshadows. I can still see my vein that I have here because this eye primer doesn't have a very good coverage. If you don't have a lot of discolorations, I can see this primer working better for you. On the other eye, you can see that my veins are neutralized and they are not very noticeable. I'm going to continue with eyeshadow Jamun. And this one is a dark blue eyeshadow with a shimmery finish. With an eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre, I'm using this on the eyelid. I'm using a second layer. And I'm just dabbing that on the outer part of my eyelid. I'm going to use it on the other eye as well. Definitely, the color is much more intense. The consistency of the eye primer is grabbing the eyeshadow and it doesn't let it go. And this is only with one layer. On this eye, I have used two layers. Definitely, you have more color payoff with this eye. With the same brush, I want also to take this beautiful, gorgeous turquoise eyeshadow. Look at this. I want to see the difference for this eyeshadow. I think that this one looks more shiny. Maybe it's a placebo effect. Here we have a very nice blended smooth application. Next I'm taking this maroon matte eyeshadow. It is called Pomegranate. And I'm placing the color with the brush 225 by Zoeva. And after that I'm blending with brush 6 by BH Cosmetics. On this side I have a very smooth application. On this one it is a little bit more noticeable. On my eye with the eye primer, I need more time to blend the crease colors. For the eyelid it was much more easier. I'm going to use the same eyeshadow for my lower lashes. I'm using a smudging brush by Essence. I'm also smudging the edges with eyeshadow Papaya. I have here a pencil brush by Morphe and I want to use this eyeshadow here. It is called Pineapple. It is a white yellow shimmery eyeshadow. With this one I'm going to highlight the inner corner and my brow bone. Definitely it makes my eyeshadows more vibrant. I want to see during the day if it is creasing. Today is a very warm day in Berlin, so I'm going to go out, come back. We're going to see if this is actually gym proof and waterproof. Let's continue with the rest of the makeup. Hi guys, it's been 10 hours and let's see what happened with the eyeshadow primer. This one didn't crease. Also the blue eyeshadows didn't move on the under eye area. I don't have any smudges and my eye look pretty much looks the same. I have some fallouts here from the application before. Today was a very hot day. We can say that this is gym proof and waterproof. I would prefer if this one gave a little bit more coverage so it could cover completely my veins that I have on my eyes. Let me know in the comments comments below if you prefer a concealer or an eye primer for your eyelids. You can watch here more reviews of Essence eyeshadow palettes. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!